I'm Stan Garnett, the Boulder District Attorney. One of the issues we've dealt with in Boulder for quite some time is trying to figure out how to appropriately prosecute prankish behavior like the naked pumpkin run, streakers, the naked bike ride, that sort of thing. And one of the problems we have in Colorado law is that the laws governing that kind of low-level, goofy stuff that people do don't quite fit the nature of the behavior. And one of the issues that's been a problem for the police, for the district attorney's office, and for the court is that the statute for indecent exposure, which is sort of the statute that most closely fits running down the street without your clothes on, is a statute where if you're convicted of it, you're identified as a sex offender and you have to register as a sex offender and be dealt with as a sex offender really for the rest of your life. Well, that's a problem because it's important for public safety purposes to make sure that the sex offender designation actually means something and that it actually alerts the public to a particular type of behavior, something other than just being adopted today, was that we support an effort in the Colorado legislature to take streaking behavior out of the indecent exposure statute and move it over to a statute called public indecency, which is a much lower level of crime. It's a petty offense, and if you're convicted of it, you don't get listed as a sex offender on the sex offender registry. The District Attorney's Council today unanimously supported that effort, and we have to now move it through the legislature and get it signed by the governor, but I think we have a pretty good shot at doing that. And what that will do will be to make it easier to issue tickets that match the behavior that we can get convictions on if we need to, but will not result in people doing simply foolish things, being listed as sex offenders in Colorado. So I think it's going to be in the interest of public safety if we can move that through.